7.7 Commissions, Discounts, and Royalties. Commission, an amount paid to a salesperson for selling an item or service, often in addition to a salary. Commission is a percent of the sales. Royalty, an amount paid to the creator or owner of a musical or literary work, an invention, or a service. The royalty rate is a percent of the money earned by the sale of the creation or service. For instance, Mr. Loomer, when he does some music, he has to pay a royalty in order to play that music, and that royalty, that percent, goes to the creator of the music. Discount. Discount, a reduction in the original price of an item or service. The discount rate is a per cost of the original price. The discount rate is a percent of the original price. The new lower price is called the sale price, or also known as the net price. David earned $28,000 during the past year. If these earnings are based on 12% commission rate, what is the value of the cars he sold? So we're basically saying that David was only paid in commission, and the amount of commission that he made was $28,000. So we have two options of how we can go about solving this. Option one, a proportion. So option number one is a proportion. We could do, well, I know in a proportion I'm going to put the percent, which is 12% over 100. The question is the 28,000 the percent, or is it out of the 100? So when it says David earned $28,000, they're saying that is the 12% that he made. So it is the is and goes in the numerator, and what we're looking for is the variable on the bottom, because 28 is 12% of how much cars he sold. If he sold a whole lot more cars, he gets 12% in his pocket. Option number two is I can basically diagram out the sentence. And what I know is that 12% of some number is going to be equal to the $28,000. But we don't use this in algebra. We would actually say that this is 12% times X equals $28,000. Either method will work. If I use this and I divide by 0.12, divide by 0.12, I will end up with my X, which I believe is 233,333.33. So if he sells this much amount of cars, he will earn $28,000 because that's 12% of this amount of money. A gold necklace regularly sells for $76. If the necklace is on sale for 60% off, what will the sale price be? So, lots of options on how to solve this. Let's start with option number one, which is we want to basically figure out what 60% of this necklace is. So I'm going to do 60% times of the $76 and get basically what my discount is. So 60% is the same as 0.6 multiplied by 76, and that'll get my discount. So if I multiply this all out, I will end up with $45.60, and that is my discount. Now, the gold necklace regularly sells for $76. If the necklace is on sale for 60% off, that means you have to pay this is how much you get to take off. This is your discount. So what we know is a sale price is equal to the original price minus the discount. So we want to figure out the sale price. The original price was $76. The discount is $45.60. So when I subtract them, I will get my sale price. And the sale price will end up being $30.40, which you can do the subtraction and line up the decimal and do. Now, the other method I could have done is, instead of figuring out 60% and then subtracting it, what I really wanted of this was to take away 60% leaves me with how much? 40%. So instead, I could have done what's 40% of 76. Again, this 40%, because you're saying 100 minus the 60 will leave me with 40%. So 40% of 76 is just 0.4 times 76, and that will actually get me the sale price instead of the discount. So when I solve this, I will get $30.40, and that is my sale price. If I wanted to work with the 40%, I could have solved it a third way. We'll call this C. If I have 40%, remember, is over of equals percent over 100. So the percent is 40 out of 100. And is over of, well, I want to know what the is, and I know it's out of 76. So I could simplify this and make it 44 over 10. I can simplify and make it 2 over 5. Okay, and then I could do cross products, 5 times x and 2 times 76. So I have 5x equals 76 times 2. Okay, finish it up, and I will end up once again with a sale price of $30.40.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.